When to use estaba, estuvo, fue, or era to say was or were in Spanish. Why are there 4 different words for this? Now my first tip is do not stress too much about this. No matter how good you get at this, you're still gonna get it wrong from time to time. The first step when determining whether to use estaba, estuvo, fue, or era is to know is it ser or estar. Which one is triggered? Estaba and estuvo, of course, is for estar. Fue and era is for ser. Remember that estar is for location, state of being, like how you're feeling. Ser is for permanent things or the essence of something, what something really is. Now let's look at estar first. When in doubt, use estaba. Estaba is imperfect, meaning it's for ongoing actions, and estuvo is for preterite, meaning it's for things that happened and are over with. So my recommendation is, when in doubt, just default to estaba unless you're sure that it was something that had a completed action. Here's some examples. He was tired. Estaba cansado. We're just describing something. We're not being very specific. But if I were to say he was tired yesterday, then it would be él estuvo cansado ayer. We're assuming that he's not tired anymore. We gave it a specific time frame for him being tired. My mom was home. Mi mamá estaba en casa. Just in general. We don't know if she's still there or not anymore. Mi mamá estuvo en la casa esta mañana. Now we are implying that she was at home this morning, but she's not there anymore. Now when it comes to fue and era, era is imperfect and fue is preterite, and the same idea applies. And era is more for describing something, talking about what something used to be or someone's personality. For example, she was smart. Ella era inteligente. We're assuming she's still smart. It used to be easier to travel. Antes era más fácil viajar. Now fue is preterite, so it's more for completed actions, things that had an end. The exam was difficult. El examen fue difícil. Because the exam happened and it's over with. Eso fue gracioso. That was funny. It was a funny moment. When you use fue, think about moments. And look, sometimes there's some gray area where both work. He was my professor could be era mi profesor or fue mi profesor. Fue is applying that he was and he's not anymore, and era is more just describing in general, yeah, he was my professor, or he used to be. Just remember that preterite emphasizes something that was a moment that happened and is over with. Imperfect, pretty much everything else. And if you like the way I teach Spanish, I've also got a free training to show you how to accelerate your Spanish learning, know exactly what to and not to focus on, and what resources to use to practice to get you really speaking with native speakers just a couple of months from now. To sign up for this free training, just go to michaelharperspanish.com and click on Let's Get Started to sign up for this free training right now. And follow to learn more Spanish.